Okay. Hello, everybody. Good evening to all of you. Guys, now we have to start with the practice of the chapter. Guys, now we have to start with the practice of the chapter equations. Everybody, guys, shall we start? Guys, shall we start? Yes. I hope you all have taken the notes. Now, let's start with the topic. Guys, we have to start with the practice of the chapter equations. Let's start. Guys, here there is one correction. In first question, make it plus, make it plus, make it plus. Now, let's start. Guys, they are asking the value of x. I have already told you, whenever they ask the value of x, you have to go from option to question. First preference, you should always give it to the option. The option that will give you LHS equals to RHS, that option will be correct. So guys, here I will check with 1. Let's check with 1. Let's check with 1. If you put 1 over here, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 upon 1, 2. Minus, if you put 1, 1 upon 1 plus 1, 1 upon 2. If you take the LCM, guys, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. Yes, here you have 3 by 2. Can I say the option which will have 1 in the option, that option will have the more chances of being occurred because 1 is one of the solution. Now, option B and D, I will even, B and C even I will not check. Since option D is having 1, the option D is having more chances of being satisfied. Now, let's check for minus 2 by 3. Guys, hold your calculator, everybody. Guys, hold your calculator with me. Guys, you have to see here now. Guys, in the place of x, I will put minus 2 by 3. Guys, first calculate the denominator. 2 divided by 3 with minus sign. Guys, 2 divided by 3 with the minus sign. Guys, I hope you are having this in the calculator now. M plus. Now, let's calculate this. 2 divided by 3. This is equals to with minus sign. 2 divided by 3 with minus sign plus 1 divided by MRC. Confirmation call. Aman sir, we are having minus 0.50. Guys, can I say you are getting here, when you put minus 2 by 3, you are getting minus 0.50 minus. Again in the place of x, I will put minus 2 by 3. Let's calculate the denominator first. Clear the memory, guys. 2 divided by 3 with minus sign x plus 1 plus 1. Aman sir, we are having 0.3333 something. M plus. You want to divide x. What is x? 2 divided by 3 with minus sign. Guys, 2 divided by 3 with minus sign divided by MRC is equals to, you are getting minus 1.999. Guys, can I say it means I am getting Aman sir minus 2. If you open the bracket, minus 0.50 plus 2, Aman sir, we are getting 1.5 and 3 by 2 also means 1.5. So can I say here option A gives you LHS equals to RHS. So option A is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. Guys, you have to be very careful when you put minus 2 by 3. Put minus 2 by 3 in decimal and guys convert your options answer into decimal and match LHS equals to RHS. Since option A give you LHS equals to RHS, option A is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. Guys, now again they are asking find the value of x. Guys, I will go from option to question. The option that will give me LHS equals to RHS, that option will be correct. Guys, I will simply go for 9.58. 9.58. Let's put in the place of x. 2 into x. Guys, in the place of x, put 9.58. Multiply by, clear the memory, 2 into 9.58 plus 5 divided by 10. You must be getting 2.416 m plus. Now let's calculate this. 3 into 9.58 plus 10 divided by 15 is equal to 2.58 m plus MRC. I am getting as 4.99, that is 5. Yes, this option give me LHS equals to RHS. So this option is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. Everybody, guys, are you all getting the answer? Guys, I'm waiting for your reply in the chat section, guys. Are you all getting the answers fast? Guys, you have to practice this entire questions with me. Everybody, guys, are you all getting the answers? Guys, yes, yes, yes. Now they are asking find the value of x and y. No, they are not asking the value of x and y. If they would be asking the value of x and y, I would have gone from option to question. But they are asking the value of x minus 2y. I have to solve both the equation by using the elimination technique. I have to find the value of x and y, put it over here and get the answer. Let's eliminate x. To eliminate x, we have to make the coefficient same. So I will multiply this equation by 5. I will multiply this equation by 2. If you multiply this equation by 5, what you will get? Aman sir, 10x minus 15y is equals to 5. Let's multiply this equation by 2. Again guys, 10x plus 4y is equals to 100. Now how much? Sir, we will solve them simultaneously. Minus, minus, minus. This will cancel. Minus 19y is equals to minus 95. So y is equals to guys 95 divided by 19. Are you all getting 5? Guys, are you all getting 5? Yes. Aman sir, now let's get the value of x. Put y over here and get the value of x. Sir, you will put 5 here, 5 to the 10. 10 will come here, 50 minus 10, 40. 40 divided by 5, 40 divided by 5. You will get the value of x is equals to 8. They are not asking x and y. They are asking the value of x minus 2y. So according to you guys, x is 8, y is 5. 5 into 2, 10. How much is 8 minus 10? Minus 2 is your right answer. Everybody guys, minus 2, option A is the right answer. Minus 2, option A is the right answer. Guys, I hope this question is clear to all of you. Guys, now next question. Now this question is for you. Guys, again, you will solve the equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. Get the value of x and y. But they are asking the quadrant. Now, in the first quadrant, x is positive, y is positive, positive. If both are positive, you will say first quadrant. Second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. Third quadrant guys, x is negative, y is also negative. Fourth quadrant guys, x is positive and y is negative. If both are positive, first quadrant. According to this, you can check which quadrant is the answer. So guys, you have to go to this for as an homework. Next question. Aman sir, they are asking the value of x and y. Guys, I will go from option to question. The option which will give me LHS equals to RHS, that option will be correct. If you go from option A, x is x, y is 1.2. 1 by 2 means guys 0.5. If you put here x is 1, y is 0.5, you will get, guys, let's put option A. According to option A, you will get 1 plus 0.5, 2 raised to the power 1.5. If you put over here guys, x is 1, y is 1 by 2. Guys, 2 into 1, 2. Minus 0.5, you will get 2 raised to the power 1.5. Here you have root 8. Aman sir, here we are getting LHS equals to RHS, but are they really equals to root 8? We have to check. Let's get the value of root 8 in the calculator. Guys, 8 under root. Are you all getting 2.8284? 2.8284. Yes, let's convert this also into a number. How to deal with any power? I have taught you the trick while I was teaching you CHER. Under root 12 times minus 1 multiply by complicated power plus 1 into equals to 12 times. Let's get the value of this in the calculator. 2 under root 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Under root 12 times minus 1 multiply by power multiply by 1.5 plus 1 into equals to, in combination for 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are getting 2.8283 guys. Just check for 3 digit. Yes, Aman sir, we are getting 2.828 and here also you are getting 2.828. Since guys option A give you LHS equals to RHS, so option A is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. Everybody guys, is this basic practice done? Guys, are you all done with this basics? Everybody guys, yes, 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 2.82. Yes, everybody guys. Yes, 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 yes. Now, finding the roots. Aman sir, they are asking the roots. Aman sir, we can know how to get the roots of the quadratic by using the factorization method. But here guys, you are having the variable, so you can't factorize. So we will go from option to question. The option that will give you LHS equals to RHS, that option will be correct. Guys, let's check for 6. I will put 6. I will put the 6 in the place of x. Guys, 6 square 36 into 2. When you put 6, 72. Guys, here 6 into 2, 12. 12 into a, 12a with minus sign, minus 12a. Guys, very carefully. 12 into 6, 12 into 6, 72 with minus sign, minus 72. Guys, plus 12a. Aman sir, 72 minus 72 minus 12 plus 12. Aman sir, we are getting LHS equals to RHS. It means 6 is the answer. Guys, here you have 6. This is not, there is no chance of being. Now either A will be correct or D will be correct. Now let's check for A. Now in the place of X, I'll put A. Now I will put A. Let's check. If you don't get the answer from A, I will not waste my time to check any other option. I will straightforward tick option D. Let's put A, guys. If you put A, 2A into A, 2A square. Let's put A over here. 2 into A, 2A. 2A into A, 2A square with minus sign, minus 2A square. Guys, 2A into 6, 6 into 2A, 12A. Plus minus minus, minus 12A. Here you have plus 12A. Guys, make a correction here. It must be equals to. Aman sir, again we are getting LHS equals to RHS. So guys, A is also the answer. It means option A is the answer. Rest all the options are wrong. Guys, rest all the options are wrong. Everybody, guys, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? Is this point clear to all of you? Guys, thumbs up fast, fast, fast. Guys, I'm expecting the reply from you in the chat section. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, slowly we'll increase the level, but I'll take all the variety of problems. Everybody, guys, I'm going to take all the variety of problems. Now, Aman, sir, how they now let's move towards the nature of the roots. What kind of question they ask in the nature of the roots? In the nature of the roots, they will give you the condition. Okay, and they will traps any variable in the place of A, B, C, and they will ask you to calculate the value of that variable. Now they have equal roots. Let me make you revise 3 things. Aman sir, here we know 3 things. D is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. D is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. D less than 0, roots are imaginary and unequal. Guys, if so, roots are real and equal only in one case, when D is equal to 0. When they say only real, roots are real and D equals to 0 also and greater than 0 also. If they say word only real, we'll take D greater than equal 0, considering this and this both. Now these things, guys, if you are having a D greater than 0 and you are having perfect square, then it is a rational. Not a perfect square, it is an irrational. You have to, I hope you must remember this. You are done with the revision of this. Aman sir, they are saying the roots are equal. Everybody know roots are equal only in one scenario, when D is equal to 0. What is D? Aman sir, D is B square minus 4AC. Roots are equal only when B square minus 4AC is 0. Guys, let's do it. Aman sir, what is B? Minus of P plus 4 whole square. Guys, B square, everybody, B square minus 4A into C is equal to 0. Let's open the bracket and get the value of A. Guys, negative square will be positive. No need to worry about this. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 8P plus minus minus 20 is equal to 0. 8P minus 8P. Aman sir, we are getting P square minus 4 is equal to 0. So from here onwards, guys, can I simply say P square is equals to 4? Whenever we remove the square sign, we get positive and negative both the values. So I will say P is equals to plus minus 2. Everybody, P is equals to plus minus 2. Option A, no, option C is the right answer. Everybody with me, option C is the right answer. Guys, can I move forward? Everybody, guys, can I move forward? Yes or no? Now, Aman sir, now they are saying find the value of k. Guys, roots of these equations coincide if they are asking the value of k. Guys, what do you mean by coincide? Coincide means, guys, they are same. Coincide means they are same. Guys, they are same. Indirectly, they are saying, guys, roots are coincide means, guys, their roots are, they are trying to manipulate you with a new word coincide. Guys, coincide means roots are equal. Guys, if the roots are equal, everybody know that b square minus 4ac is 0. Everybody, guys, what is b square minus 4 square? 16 minus 4a into c is equal to 0. 16 minus 4k, so guys, is equal to 0. So 4k, guys, is equal to 16, or you can say like this, 16 is equals to 4k. So guys, what is the value of k? K is equals to 4. Everybody, guys, is this point clear to all of you? So guys, k is equals to 4. Option A is the right answer. Everybody, is this point clear to all of you? Please solve this question. Guys, they are saying roots are real. Aman sir, roots are real in two cases. In d is equals to 0 also roots are real, and d greater than 0 roots are real. So guys, we have formed a condition. When they use the word only real, we will make a condition d greater. If they would have said real and equal, only d equals to 0. If they would have said real and unequal, I would have said only d greater than 0. But they are saying the word only real. So guys, in that case, you have to use d greater than equals to 0. D greater than equals to 0. Everybody. So guys, b square minus 4ac greater than equals to 0. Guys, what is b square? Everybody, 2p minus 1 b square minus 4 a into c greater than equals to 0. Let's open the bracket. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4p square greater than equals to 0, plus 4p square minus 4p square cancel, 1 minus 4p greater than equals to 0. Sir, screen is not clear. Just a second, guys. It should not happen, guys. Now check. There must be a internet connectivity issue from your end, because recording are not clear. Guys, everybody, please let me know, because from my end screen is very much clear. Is there any problem from your end as for internet point of view? No, sir. Okay, let me conclude this question, guys. Sir, a bit blurry, sir. Okay, let me conclude this question, guys. I'll zoom in so that we'll talk again. Wait, let me conclude this question. Now, guys, here you have two options. Now, here you may have two options. Aman sir, one option, one student will say 1 minus 4p greater than equals to 0. One student will say, let's take 4p over there. 1 must be greater than equals to 4p. Let's bring 1 by 4 greater than equals to p. Yes, this is the answer. But they usually don't write the variable on the RHS side. They write the variable on the LHS side. So guys, you have to bring like this. P is having less than sign. So I will allot less than sign. 1 by 4. This is the answer. Aman sir, both are same. Everybody, guys, look very carefully. Both are same. Guys, both are same. Here 1 by 4 is greater. Yes, here 1 by 4 is greater. I am not changing the sign of inequality. Since I am changing LHS to RHS, I am changing the sign. Now, but one student may also think like this. Guys, now wait. Now, guys. Okay, just a second. Now, one student may think like this. Aman sir, minus 4p greater than equals to minus 1. One student can take 1 over here. Now, whenever, guys, here the students make one mistake. If you cancel this minus, whenever you cancel the minus sign from both the side, or you multiply both the side with minus sign, the sign of inequality changes. The sign of inequality, guys, changes. So one have to say p must be greater than equals to, guys, you have to change it to less than equals to 1 by 4. Guys, in both the case, answer is same. But whenever you are cancelling minus sign from both the side, or you are multiplying both the side with minus sign, don't forget to change the sign of inequality. Guys, here I have considered both the situation. Now, if some student can solve like this also, some can solve like this. But if you're doing like this, cancelling minus sign, don't forget to change the sign of inequality. Just a second, guys. Guys, now let's move forward. Now, let's look at the next question. Now, everybody, the roots of this equation are, we are discussing the questions on the nature of the roots, guys. See, on the nature of the roots, only two things are possible. Either they will ask what is the nature of the roots, or they will plant the variable in the place of ABC, and they will ask the value of the that missing variable. Here, now then the roots of this equation are, they are just simply asking the nature of the roots. Aman sir, that depends upon the D. So let's calculate D, that is B square minus 4AC. Everybody, what is B square? Aman sir, minus 1 square minus 4a into c, minus 1 square 1 minus 4, you are getting minus 3. Everybody, as you can see, d is less than 0. If d is less than 0, roots are, guys, imaginary. Aman sir, d's roots are imaginary and unequal. Roots are imaginary and unequal, guys. Everybody, is this point clear to all of you? Moving towards the next question, mark this question as an LDR. Mark this question as an LDR. If the roots of these equations coincide, guys, coincide means roots are equal. Guys, coincide means roots are equal. Find the value of k. Now look at this k. K is planted in the place of A, B also, and C also. A very good question. Aman sir, if the roots are equal, we know one thing, that is B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. So what is B square? Aman sir, B square is minus 2k square, that is minus 2k square. I will directly write 4k square minus 4. What is A? K minus 4. What is C? K plus 5 is equals to 0. Everybody with me? Now, let's open the bracket. Sir, 4k square minus 4. Guys, I'll solve one. Once I will open the bracket. Let's multiply this into this. K into K. K square plus 5k. Now this into this, minus 4k plus minus minus 5 4 jar 20 is equals to 0. Aman sir, 4k square minus 4. Let's see the bracket. Let's resolve the bracket first. K square, 5k minus 4k plus k minus 20 is equals to 0. Let's open the bracket. 4k square minus 4k square plus minus minus 4k minus minus plus 4 to the 80 is equals to 0. Here answer 4k square minus 4k square will cancel. Now you will have here, answer, now we will have here, so we will have minus 4k is equals to minus 80. Everybody, so minus minus will cancel, 4 to the 8, the value of k will be 20. Everybody, value of k will be 20. Very good, Balram. Everybody, Balram, a very good answer. So answer for the value of the k will be 20. You will have the answer option B. Everybody, option B is the right answer. Moving forward, guys, moving forward. Again, roots of these equations are equal. Roots of these equations are equal. Aman sir, if roots are equal, we can say that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is b square? Minus 12 square 144 minus 4 a into c is equals to 0. So 144 minus 16k is equals to 0. So guys, what will be value of k, everybody? Answer, value of k will be, let's do it, 144 divided by 16, you will get 9. So guys, the value of k is 9. Everybody, you are having the value of k is 9. Everybody, option D is the right answer. Can I move forward? Very beautifully solved the question by all of you. Padam Rekha, okay. Yes. Sumati, Sumathi, I'm really sorry if I'm saying any wrong name. It is not intentional, guys. My pronunciation problem. My problem. Okay. Now, let's move forward. Aman sir, now let's solve the questions on the properties of the root. Before you solve this, everybody know that you know only two things. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and guys, alpha into beta is c by a. I hope you all have done with the revision session of this chapter. Now, I have made you remember two things. What is alpha square plus beta square? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. What is guys alpha cube plus beta cube? Alpha plus beta bracket alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta. Everybody, what is alpha cube minus beta cube? What is alpha cube minus beta cube? Aman sir, alpha minus beta bracket alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta. Right? What is alpha minus beta? Under root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. I have made you remember all these things, and I have requested all of you to remember this. Now, everybody, let's start with this. If alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, find the value of this. Everybody knows two things. What is alpha plus beta? Aman sir, minus b by a. What is minus of minus 5? 5 by 3. What is alpha into beta? C by a. 3 by 3 will be 1. Now, they are asking the value of this. They are asking the value of alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. So, how much you will get? Alpha into beta, cross multiply alpha square plus beta square. Everybody remembers what is alpha square plus beta square? Aman sir, this is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha plus beta. You know everything, just put the value and get the answer. Let's do it guys with me. What is alpha plus beta? 5 by 3 whole square, 25 upon 9 minus 2 times alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is 1 divided by 1. Even if you don't write, that is not a problem. So I will not write that divided by 1. So guys, you will take the LCM as 9. Nothing is written, you can write 1. So as 25 minus 18. Everybody, Aman sir, 25 minus 18. You will get the answer as 7 upon 9 is the right answer. Yes, 7 upon 9. Option A is the right answer. Everybody, option A is the right answer. Hold on for a second, guys. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue, guys. Small miss, nothing else. Okay, next question, guys. Now, they have given you this and they are asking the value of this. Aman sir, we know only two things. First, Aman sir, we know alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a, that is minus 7. And Aman sir, we know alpha into beta, that is c by a. What you are asking? I am asking the value of alpha square upon beta plus beta square upon alpha. Aman sir, to solve this, first of all, we need to simplify. Everybody, let's simplify this. So you will get LCM alpha into beta, cross multiply alpha cube plus beta cube. I have made you remember this. What you have remembered this? Aman sir, we know this is alpha plus beta bracket alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta minus 3 alpha beta. Guys, now divided by alpha into beta. You know everything. Let's put the value. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 7 bracket minus 7 whole square 49 minus 3 times alpha into beta 12 divided by guys 12. How much you will get over here? Sir, 49 minus 36 multiply by 7 with minus sign. So Aman sir, we will get minus 91. Everybody guys, we will get minus 91 upon 12. That is the answer, everybody. Minus 91 upon 12. Aman sir, we are having option C as an our answer. Guys, I hope you all are practicing this with me. That is the importance of the practice batch, that you have to revise, practice all these variations of the problem along with the me. At the end of the session, you will have the confidence. I am finally done with the self-study revision with Aman sir for our exam. That is our main motive of the practice batch, to get you practice all those questions which normally students miss in the self-study in a structured manner and with a proper linkage. Next question, guys. Okay, they are asking simply alpha square plus beta square. Aman sir, we know two things. Alpha plus beta minus b by a, minus of minus 4 upon 2 will be 2. What is alpha into beta, guys? C by a, minus 3 by 2. They are asking alpha square plus beta square. How much is this? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So what is alpha plus beta whole square? Aman sir, this is 4 minus 2 times alpha into beta. 2 2 will cancel, minus minus plus, 4 plus 3 7. Everybody, your option C is the right answer. Sir, for 14, option C. Yes, yes, yes. Nitya Shri, absolutely correct answer. Kateshwar, Kateshwar's right answer, option B. Everybody, yes. Now, moving forward, guys, many questions are waiting for you. Aman sir, here we know only two things. We know alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. We know alpha into beta, that is c by a. Everybody, they are asking the value of alpha. Guys, can I say beta inverse means reciprocal? Alpha into 1 upon beta plus beta upon alpha. Everybody, what will be the LCM of this? Aman sir, we will take the LCM as alpha into beta. Cross multiply alpha into alpha, alpha square. Beta into beta is, guys, beta square. Now, moving forward, can I say you know the numerator? What is alpha square plus beta square? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha into beta. I will suggest get your answer in decimal. Don't put this much of nonsense, guys. Let's convert this into decimal. Aman sir, minus 4.5. This is 3.5. Let's put it over here. Minus 1.5 whole square 2 times alpha into beta divided by, guys, alpha into beta. Let's get the answer in decimal. Hold your calculator, guys. Hold your calculator. Aman sir, we need to do this. Clear the memory. 1.5 into 1.5. Since it is a minus sign but square will make it positive. M plus 2 into 3.5. 2 into 3.5. You have minus sign. So guys, M minus divided by 3.5. Again, guys, 1.5 into 1.5 is equal to, guys, m plus 2 into 3.5 is equal to, guys, 7. I need m minus divided by 3.5 divided by 3.5. Are you divided by 3.5? Guys, are you all getting minus 1.357? Aman sir, we are getting minus 1.357. Since you have received your answer in decimal, let's convert the option also into decimal. Answer is negative. Very high chances option D will be correct. 19 divided by 14 minus, guys, since you are getting minus 1 point, I have divided 19 upon 14, minus sign is there, 3.57. Since you are getting the same decimal, I will say, guys, option D is the correct answer. Guys, option D is the correct answer. I hope this question is clear to all of you. Can I move forward? Yes, Aman sir. Now, very good question. I request all of you mark this question as an LDR for last day revision. Revise this also. Sir, when the problem, there is no problem in the app, but yes, backup will be uploaded, and tomorrow onwards we will shifting towards app only, just for a safe side, because I don't want to get the batch cancelled because of any issue. That's why just on a safe side I put this video batch on a YouTube unlisted link, but tomorrow onwards will be on app only. Now, there's no error. I'll look for the backup concern. Backup will be visible once this class ends. Okay. Now, everybody, Aman sir, we know two things. Alpha plus beta minus b by a minus 1 upon 1. And what is, guys, alpha into beta? Aman sir, c by a. C is r, a is 1. No need to write. Now, they have already given you alpha cube plus beta cube is minus 6. They are asking the value of r. Everybody knows what is alpha cube plus beta cube. Aman sir, alpha cube plus beta cube we know. Alpha plus beta whole square minus how many alpha beta? Minus 3 alpha beta is equals to minus 6. Everybody knows what is alpha plus beta. Aman sir, that is minus 1. Minus 1 square minus alpha into beta is r minus 3r minus 6. In this equation, you know everything. You just need to calculate r. Open the bracket 1 plus 3r minus 6. 3r. Guys, this 1 will go there. I think I made some mistake. This one go, I opened the bracket minus 1 square 3r minus 3 alpha beta. What mistake I made? What did with okay, my mistake. Sorry, minus. Yes, whenever I will open the bracket with minus sign. Guys, this minus will go there in plus. Minus 6 plus 5 minus 6 plus 1 5 minus 5. So guys, r will be minus 5 upon 3 is the correct answer. Guys, be very careful while doing any, don't make any silly mistake. Option A is the correct answer. Yes. Option A is the correct answer. Guys, here we are done with the practice of useful factor. See, there are four major areas in the quadratic. Roots, done with the practice. Then we practiced nature of the roots questions, all the variations of the nature of the roots. Guys, then we practiced this property based questions. Now guys, now I am moving towards the formation of the equation. What is the formula? If roots are given, can you form the equation? Yes, Aman sir, if the roots are given, we can form the equation. The formula is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Now use that formula. Guys, one root is given, another root is not given, but everybody knows when the roots are irrational, they are always in conjugate pair. If one root is 5 root 3, it means another root is 5 minus root 3. Let's form the equation, guys. Yes, let's form, guys. Yes, you can cancel the minus from here only also, but by mistake I hope I have opened the bracket. So whatever approach you do, answer will be same. Sir, since the roots are in irrational, they are always in conjugate pair. If they have given you a one root, you already know the another root. Now let's form the equation. Aman sir, formation of the equation formula, I'll write once: x square minus sum of roots into x plus, guys, product of roots is equals to 0. Sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. So guys, x square minus sum of the one root is 5 plus root 3 sum, another root is 5 minus root 3 multiply by x plus product 5 plus root 3 multiply by 5 minus root 3 is equals to 0. Everybody, let's open this. Root 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 will cancel. You will have x square minus 5 plus 5 10x. Now guys, you can see this is a plus b, a minus b. So guys, how you will solve this? Guys, I will just solve this. A square 5 square 25, b square root 3 square will be 3. So guys, this will be 22, guys, plus 22 is equals to 0. Everybody, you will get the answer. Everybody, x square minus 10x plus 22 is equals to 0. Everybody, guys, with me, option A is the correct answer. Yes. Option A is the correct answer. Moving forward, guys. Now, alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. They are asking you to form the equation. They are asking you to form the equation whose one root is this. One root is this much. And another root is alpha minus beta whole square. Aman sir, to form the equation, we need these things in number. But you already know alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and alpha into beta is c by a. Aman sir, we know alpha plus beta is minus 7. So square will be, guys, 49. But how to convert this into a number? See, this is an outcome of that 5 4 useful factor that I made you remember. See here, you know what is alpha minus beta? Under root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Since I am asking alpha minus beta square, it means under root will eliminate, and this outcome of this is, Aman sir, alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 times alpha into beta. What is alpha plus beta whole square? This is, guys, 49 minus 7 square minus 4 into alpha into beta is 12. So guys, how much you will get this? Sir, for 12 for the 48, 49 minus 48 minus 1. Now, Aman sir, we have this also, that is minus 1. Now, since you have the roots, how to form the equation? X square minus sum of the roots. Guys, x square minus sum of the roots minus, wait. What mistake I made? Sorry, guys, this will be plus, this will be plus, this will be plus, this will be plus. Yes, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. And the correct answer for this will be x square minus 50x plus 49 is equals to 0. Everybody, option C will be the correct answer. Everybody, guys, option C will be the correct answer. Yes, right answer, right answer, right answer. Moving forward, guys, next question is waiting for you. Lots of variations I have taken over here, and we have to discuss all the variations. Sir, the arithmetic mean between the roots of the quadratic. Guys, what is the arithmetic mean of C? Write down one tip over here. Write down one tip. If you have any two numbers, for example, A comma B, the arithmetic mean of two numbers are A plus B divided by 2. Geometric mean of two numbers are under root of A into B, and even harmonic mean of two numbers are 2AB upon A plus B. Guys, always remember this. For any two numbers, arithmetic mean is A plus B divided by 2. Geometric mean is under root of A into B. And guys, harmonic mean is 2AB upon A plus B. Now what they are saying, the arithmetic mean between the roots. Let us assume roots are alpha and beta. So the arithmetic between the two roots is 8, and the geometric mean, yes, what is geometric mean? Under root of alpha into beta, this is 5. To form the equation, you need the sum of the roots and you need the product of the roots. Let's get that. Aman sir, from here I can say alpha plus beta is 16. Squaring both the side will eliminate this under root is 25. Let's form the equation x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. So you have the answer x square minus 16x plus 25 is equals to 0. Option B is the correct answer. Everybody, guys, option B is the correct answer. Guys, I hope this question is clear to all of you. Everybody, guys, can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? I'm waiting for your reply. Superb question, guys. Superb question. Now see, alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Okay. Find the equation having the roots this. Aman sir, let's alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Let's try to factorize this and get the value of alpha and beta. If this is not factorized, then I will go for the another useful factor approach. Let's try to find the value of alpha and beta. I will use this much space to get the roots, guys. Let's solve. 3x square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. Let's take the LCM of A into C. What is A? 3. What is C? 1. A into C is 3. Take the LCM of 3 in such a way, plus minus will give you B. Amongst the 3 and 1. 3 minus 1 will give you minus 4, and minus 3 into minus 1 will give you again 3. Yes, this can be factorized. So I will factorize this. 3x square minus 3x minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Let's take 3x common, x minus 1. Let's take minus 1 common, x minus 1 is equals to 0. Let's take x minus 1 common. So you will get 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. So guys, from here you will get x is equals to 1, and from here you will get x is equals to 1 by 3. So guys, the roots of these equations were alpha and beta. It means one is alpha and one you can say is beta. Aman sir, now you have the value of alpha and beta. Okay. You need to form a equation, guys. You need to form a equation whose one root is alpha square upon beta, whose one root is alpha square upon beta, and another root is beta square upon alpha, beta square upon alpha. Okay, Aman sir, we have alpha also and we have beta also. Let's put it over here. What is alpha square? 1 square upon 1 upon 3. This 1 upon 3 go above in reciprocal 3 upon 1. So guys, one root must be 3. Beta square, 1 upon 3 square, that is 1 upon 9 divided by 1. Guys, 1 upon 9 divided by 1. So another root is, guys, 1 upon 9. If you have successfully converted this into a number, can you form a equation whose one root is this and another root is this? Yes, Aman sir, we can form x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. So guys, how much you will get? X square minus, let's take the LCM, 9 3 are 27, 27 plus 128 minus 28 upon 9x. Guys, this will cancel, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 upon 3 is equals to 0. Guys, what will be the LCM? Aman sir, we will take the LCM as 9. 9x square minus 28x. Guys, 3 3 is 9. 3 will be the remainder. Multiply by 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. Guys, now this will come here in 0. 9 multiplied by 0 will be 9. And finally, guys, you will have the equation. The equation will be, guys, now the equation will be 9x square minus 28x plus 3 is equals to 0. Guys, this is one of the beautiful question. Yes, they can manipulate you in the exam in this. 9x square minus 28x plus 3 is equals to 0. Everybody, option A will be the correct answer. Option A will be the correct answer. I request all of you, mark this question as an LDR. Mark this question as an LDR question. Is this question clear to all of you? Guys, is this question clear to all of you? Can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? Madam? Sending OTP? Okay. 782367. It is there in the mail. You can get it from me. Guys, can I move forward? Option A, yes. Guys, let's solve this question. Guys, they have given you alpha plus beta and they have given you alpha into beta. They are asking equation. Let's form the equation. Aman sir, the equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. Everybody, so what will be the equation? X square minus of minus 2 plus 2x plus minus minus product of the roots is equals to 0. Everybody, so the option will be x square plus 2x minus 3. X square plus 2x minus 3. Everybody, option B will be the correct answer. Guys, option B will be the correct answer. Can I move forward? Yes, Aman sir. Let's do it, guys. Now, as I have already told you, we are having high fear of the variables. This is a question where they have given you options in the form of variable. Send again. Guys, where they have given options in the form of variable. Just a second, guys. It is 582487. Guys, now see, they have given options in the form of variable, and they have demand whenever they give you the options in the form of variable in the equation chapter, they will always give you one condition in the root. Let's check what is the condition given in the roots. What is the condition? One root is half of the other. One root is half of the other. So guys, what I will say, let us assume a equation, whose one root is half of the other. Don't assume alpha 1 upon alpha, don't assume alpha by 2. No. Let's assume the number. If one root is 4, one root is half of the other, another root is half. Now, I have assumed the roots which fulfills the demand of the question. Question demand was that the one root should be half of the other. Yes. Now, let's form the equation according to our data. X square minus sum of the roots. 4 plus 2 minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. Guys, Aman sir, now we are having the equation in the form of number. Now, let's see, and the difference in the root is a. They are saying the difference in the root is a. So what is the difference in root? 4 minus 2, 2. This is your a. According to our information, we have converted, we have assumed the equation which fulfill the demand of the question. Yes, one root is half of the other, and what they are saying, a is the difference of the root. So according to our information, a is 2. Let's convert the options. Let's put the a is equals to 2, and the option which will give me this equation, that option will be correct. Just to save the time, let's check for option C. X square minus what is a2? 3 into 2, 6. X plus, guys, what is 2 square? 4 into 2 plus 8 is equals to 0. Can I say I'm getting the same equation? So option C is the correct answer. I'll train you in this. More questions are waiting for you. So guys, this is how I suggest how you should solve the questions. Guys, here we are done with the third variations, that when the questions alpha beta category, we are done with the formation of the equation category, we are done with the nature of the roots, we are done with the finding the solutions of the equation. Moving towards the next category. Yes, you can take anything. Aman sir, what if I want to take one root is, Aman sir, what if I take 6 and I take this as 3? No problem. In that case, your equation will be something else, a will be something else. Ultimately, that equation should match. Aman sir, can we take here 8? Here, yes, whatever you want, you can take. Construct your question in the form of number, convert the option also in the form of number. That is the most important and simplest approach that you have to follow. Guys, is this point clear? Padma, is this point clear, everybody? Yes, many students log in from their parents' account. I'm sorry if I say the name, and I'm considering that is a student. If you're logging with your parents' name, I'm really sorry if I say the name. I consider it is you. Okay. Now, moving forward, let's start with the guys. Let's start with the problems based on word. Everybody, let's start with them. Sir, could Balram, the same question is about to come. Whenever they ask the question in the form of variable, they will always give you condition in the root. What was the condition given here? That one root of the equation is half of the other. So I assumed one equation will be having the, let us assume one root is 4, another is half 2. Can you form the equation with the roots? Yes, x square minus sum of the roots into x. I have successfully invented my answer in the form of a number. Now I will convert the options also into number. They are using a. What is a? The difference in the root is a. So according to my roots, what is the difference? Difference is 2. So a is 2. I'll put the 2 in the given option. The option which will give me the same equation, that option will be correct. This kind of more questions are about to wait coming. We'll discuss over there once again. Okay. Now let's start with the word problems. Guys, number consists of 3 digits, of which middle number is 0. Okay. Middle number is 0. So guys, there is a 3-digit number. Middle number is 0. The sum of the other two is 9. Guys, the sum of other two, guys, 6 plus 3, 9. 9. This is wrong. 10. This is also wrong. Sum of other two is 9. Okay. The number formed by interchanging the first and third digit is more. Guys, if you interchange this, the number will be 603 and this will be more, guys. This will be more. The new number formed will be more. How much more? 297. Let's check whether the difference is 297. Yes, this is more. But is it really more by 297? Let's check it down, guys. 603 minus 306. Yes, this number is more by 297. Aman sir, in that case, why can't we say option 603? What if you do the interchange? This is 306, but this should be more, but this is less. This should be more, but this is less by 297. If they would have said the new number in by interchanging the number, the new number is less, then it would be option C. But they're saying more. So guys, but this is, since it is not more, this is less. I will say option A is correct. Moving forward, guys. Now, a very important question. I have already said that this question comes in the exams a lot of time. Let's do the practice. The age of person is twice the sum of the ages of the two sons. Let's assume the age of the person be X and the ages of the two sons be Y. Not the age of one son. There are two sons. Okay. Okay. What the question is saying? The age of the person is twice of the sum of the ages of the two sons. Sum of the ages I have assumed Y. Now, 5 years ago, what will be the age of X 5 years ago? X minus 5. Now, what will be the age of Y 5 years ago? Y minus 5. No, here you are wrong. Guys, Y I have assumed the sum of the ages of two sons. Y is not having the age of one person. Y is holding the age of two persons. For example, one per child age is 15 and another child age is 10. So sum of the both ages is 25. If you do minus 1, 15 will shift to the 10, but 10 will not shift to 5. So you have to do minus 1, minus 1. Guys, minus 1, minus 1. So guys, this will be y minus 10. Y minus 10. Now what they are saying? 5 years ago. Now this is 5 years ago and this is also 5 years ago. Aman sir, why minus 10? Because this consists of the age of the two person. Minus 5, minus 5. At the end you have to do minus 10. Now 5 years ago his age, man age was thrice. This was thrice the age of the son. Here you have, they are asking the age of the person. They are asking, find their present age. They are asking the present age of the person. Tarikesh, very easy question. Option to question we have just checked. Now, everybody with me. Can you put x is equals to 2y over here? Yes. In the place of x, if you put 2y minus 5, open the bracket, 2y minus 30. Bring 30 over here, 25. 3y minus 2y, y. Aman sir, this is the sum of the ages of two sons. They are asking the age of the person. The person age was x. So guys, here you will put x is equals to 2 into 25. So the age of person is 50. Everybody guys, the age of the person is 50. Now, everybody, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Can I move forward, everybody? Can I move forward? Yes. 50. Balram, right answer. Moving forward. Now, if A, mark this as an LDR, mark this an LDR. If A age 6 years ago subtracted from twice the present age, let us assume the present age is X. Now, what they are saying, thrice the age 6 years ago. If you do this, 6 years ago, the age of the A is X minus 6. If you do this thrice, is to be subtracted. You don't need to subtract something from this. If this is subtracted from what? Twice the present age. If this is subtracted from twice the present age, then this is equals to his present age. I have assumed the present age of that person be x. Now, if you subtract twice the present age, if you subtract this from twice the present age, you will get the present age. What is the present age? Present age is x. Now, let's open the bracket and get the value of x. They're simply asking the present value of that a. 2x minus 3x plus 18 is equals to x, minus x plus 18 is equals to x. So guys, can I say 2x is equals to 18, everybody? So Aman sir, x, so guys, everybody, x is equals to 9. Everybody, x is equals to 9. This is the correct answer, everybody. Can I move forward? Aman sir, option A is the right answer. Aman sir, option A is the right answer. Can I move forward? Yes, Aman sir. Now, three persons, Roy, Paul and Singh. Sumati, Tarkesh, Balaram, right answer. Everybody guys, super performance. Now, Roy, Paul and Mr. Singh together have 51 rupees. Together, let us say Roy is R, Roy is having R rupees, Paul is having P rupees and Mr. Singh is having S rupees. Together they have 51 rupees. Guys, together they are having a 51 rupees. Now what they are saying, Mr. Paul has 4 rupees less than Mr. Roy. Guys, what does it? Mr. Paul, whatever rupees Mr. Roy is having, if you subtract 4, that is equals to money that the Paul is having. Now, Mr. Singh is having got rupees 5 less. Whatever Mr. Roy is having, if you subtract it from 5, you will get the money that Mr. Singh is having. Guys, now you are having P also in the terms of R. Here, you are having S also in the terms of R. Guys, yes, you can go from option to question also. But guys, let's get the answer. What if they manipulate you in the options? Now, R, let's keep R. You are having P also in the terms of R. You are having S also in the terms of R is equals to 51. R plus R plus R, 3R. Guys, minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 will go there, plus 9. 60. Guys, R is equals to 20. Everybody, R is equals to 20. R is equals to 20. Now, what they are getting? Aman sir, R value is this. How much will be the value of this, guys? How much will be the value of this? Aman sir, 16. 20 minus 5, guys, 15. So, 20, 16 and 15 is the correct answer. Yes. Aman sir, why it is necessary? In this question, yes, you can go from option to question. See, if you say option A, option B, Paul is having 4 less and Mr. Singh is having 5 less. But they can plant the options like this also, 25, 21 and 20. Guys, yes, they can plant the options where multiple options will justify the condition. That's why it is important to solve this. Here in exam, yes, you can go from option to question. Next question, guys. Superb question. Mark this question as an LDR. Mark this question as an LDR. Mark this question as an LDR. Everybody, guys, mark this question as an LDR. I request all of you, please solve, guys. Mark this question as an LDR and please solve this question. Everybody, guys, please solve this question. Aman sir, X and Y are having their ages, present ages in the ratio. Let us assume age of X is X, age of Y is Y, and their present age are in the ratio 6/7. Okay. Their ratio of the ages 14 years ago, guys, 14 years ago, this was the age of X and this was the age of Y. 14 years ago, their ages were in the ratio 4/5. Now, what they are demanding, what will be the ratio? What will be the ratio of their ages 21 years from now, 21 years from now, let's get the value of x and y. We will add it 21, so it will, their age will shift 21 years ahead. First we need to get the value of x. Aman sir, two equations, two unknown. Sir, can we say, yes guys, can I say here like this, let us say x is equals to 6k, y is equals to 7k. Why you are saying k? This is a ratio. I don't know whether it was 70, it is 600, 7. I don't know the common factor. Let us say common factor is k. So x is 6k and y is 7k. Can you put x is 6k minus 14? This will come here in multiply 5. Guys, 4. What is y? 7k minus 14. Get the value of k, guys. Let's open the bracket, everybody. Yes. No. Sir, whether can we? No, not in this. If they would have given their age totals before also, in this question it is not possible. Just in many questions we can go from option to question, but not in this one. Not in this one. Very lengthy approach. Even if you go very lengthy, guys. 5 into 6, 30k. 14 into 5, 70. Guys, 7 into 4, 28k. Minus 14 into 4, 56. Now, as how much you will get? 32k. 70 minus 56, 14. So k value is, guys, 7. The value of k is 7. Aman sir, once we have the value of k, so what is the present age of x? What is the present age, guys? Sir, x is my 6 into 7, 42 years old today. And how much is y? Y is, guys, 7 into 7. Present age of this is 49. If they would have been asked what is the present age of x and present age of y, this is the answer. If they would have asked what is the ratio of their present, they would have already given. But they are asking their ratio of age after 21 years. So guys, the age of the x will be 20, today's plus 21, 49 plus 21. Everybody, guys, 42 plus 21, you will get 63. 49 plus 21, you will get 70. Let's get this into decimal. 63 divided by 70, you are getting 0.90. So the option that will give you 0.90, that option will be correct. Guys, see, 9 divided by 10 will give you 0.90. So guys, option B is the correct answer. Yes, I have taken this word problem, and this word problem is inspired from the chapter ratios. As we are going through the practice batch, guys, I want all of you to hold the confidence in word problem, whether it is ratio, whether it is word problem of equation, proportion, whatever it is, guys. Now, is this point clear to all of you? A very good question. I request all of you, after the class, please solve this once again. Please solve this once again. Now, let's move ahead. Okay. A man wants to cut the three lengths from a single piece of board into 91 centimeter. It means if there are three lengths, let us say one is x, one is y, one is z. What is the total, guys? 91. Now, the second length, what is second length? Y is 3 meter longer than the shortest. Let us say shortest is x, okay, because they are using third length. Third length means y. Middle, second one is third length is z. They are using the word second. Second means it is y. Shortest left one is x, okay. Now, the second length y is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. It means if you add 3 to the shortest, it will be equals to the second length. Now, what is the second condition they have given? Second. Now, third length. What is, guys, third length? Third length is z is to be twice the shortest. Twice the shortest. What is the possible length of the shortest? They are asking the value of x. Everybody knows that is x plus y plus z is 91. You know everything in the form of x. Keep the x as it is. In the place of y, x plus 3. In the place of z, 2x is equals to 91. x plus 2x, 4x, 91 minus 3, 88 everybody. So x will be guys 22 centimeter. That's all. Yes guys, yes, yes, yes. 22 centimeter. Everybody, option A is the right answer. Everybody guys, option A is the right answer. Now, next question. The difference between a number and its positive square root. Guys, difference between, let us say the number be A. So A minus root A. Difference between a number and its positive square root is 12. They are simply asking the value of A. I will go from option to question. The option which will give me 12, that option will be correct. If you take 9, 9 plus, what is 9 root 3? 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. Huh? I think that is the answer. Sorry, you have to subtract. 9 minus 3, 6. No, guys, this is not an answer. Let's check for 12. 16 minus root 16. You are getting 16 minus 4. Yes, you are getting 12. So, yes, option B is the right answer. Yes, guys, option B is the right answer. Moving forward, guys, mark this question as an LDR. Mark this question as an LDR. Superb, superb question. Superb jolly question, guys. Superb question. Mind blowing question from this. Guys, superb question. All both the questions are very good. Mark this question also as an LDR. Mark this question also as an LDR. Now, look at this question. A box contains 276 coins of 5 rupee, 2 rupee and 1 rupee. Let us say there are X 5 rupee coin, there is Y 2 rupee coin and there is Z 1 rupee coin. Total coins are 276. It means X plus Y plus Z is equals to 276. Can I say this? Yes, Aman sir. Now, the value of each kind are in the ratio. Guys, they have not given the ratio of number of coins. Normally, what they say, normally they give you the value and they give you the coins are in the ratio. This is a reverse of that question. They have not given the value, they have given the total of the coins, and this time they have given the value ratio. Guys, can you tell me what will be the value of 5 rupee coin? If value of one coin is 5 rupees, what will be the value of X coins? Can I say 5x is 2? What will be the value of 2 rupee coin? If the value of one coin is Y, what is the value of Y coins? Aman sir, this is 2Y is 2. If the value of one coin is 1 rupee, what is the value of Z coins? 1 into Z. Aman sir, this value is in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. Everybody guys, this time guys, they have given the values in the ratio. Since this is a ratio, I don't know what is the common factor. Let us say common factor became, so x 5x is equals to 2k, 2y is equals to 3k, and guys z is equals to 5k. Since they are in ratio, I don't know what is the common factor which must have been cancelled. So I am saying they all are, the common factor is k. Let's get the value of x, y, z, everything in the form of k. So guys, from here you will get x is equals to 2 upon 5k. From here you will get y is equals to 3k upon 2. And guys, from here you will get z is already equals to 5k. You are having x, y, z, everything in the form of k. Let's put it over here. Sir, 2k upon 5 plus 3k upon 2 plus 5k. Nothing is there, you can write 5. Get the value of k. You put the value of k and you will get the value of y. They are simply asking the number of 2 rupee coin. What is the number of 2 rupee coin? You have assumed y. They are simply asking the value of y. Everybody guys, let's solve this. Let's solve this. Aman sir, the LCM will be 10. Now 10 divided by 5, 2, that is 4k. plus 2 5 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15k, 1 divided by 10, 10 into 5, 50k is equals to 276. Add this, guys. 15 plus 4 plus 50, 69k, guys. 69k is equals to 2760. So what is the value of k? 2760 divided by 69. Aman sir, the value of k is 40. Everybody, guys, the value of k is 40. But I need the number of 2 rupees coin. They are asking the number of 2 rupees coin. You have assumed the number of 2 rupee coin as y. Aman sir, we need this. We need to find the value of y. Let's find y is equals to, everybody, guys, y is equals to 3 into k value is 40 divided by 2. So guys, how much is y? 3 into 40 divided by 2, everybody. Yes, 60 is the right answer. Guys, 60 is the right answer. I suggest and I request, make sure you know the method and you know how to solve this kind of questions. Yes, these are very highly repeated and just very highly asked questions from the exam. Yes, they are very highly asked questions from the exam. Everybody, guys, is this point clear to all of you? Moving forward, guys, so see, a very common sense based questions, a very common sense based question it is, extremely common sense based question it is. Now guys, look at this. A person has a tour, person is on a tour, total he is having 9600 rupees expense. If we extend his tour by 16 days, his daily expense is cut by 20 rupees. If we extend the tour by 16 days, his expense per day expense will cut by 20 rupees. How much was the original duration? I don't know the original duration. Let us go from option to question. Let us say, let's check for option A. Guys, let's check for option A. Let's check. I am saying if original duration was 48 days, how much was the per day expense he was in? 4000, sorry, 9600 divided by 48. Aman sir, he was having 200 rupees, okay, per day. He was having 200 rupees per day cost. If you extend, if according to option A, if you extend his duration by 16 days, 48 plus 16, Aman sir, the new days will be 64. 9600 divided by 64, Aman sir, we are getting 150. No, I was expecting that the cost must be reduced by, guys, I was expecting the cost must be reduced by 20 rupees per day. But according to option B, if you assume option A is the right answer, the cost per day cost is not reduced by 20, it is reduced by 50. So option A is wrong. Now let's check for another option. Guys, I will directly go for option C now. Let's go for option C. If you assume option C is correct, divide by 80. 9600 divided by 80. Aman sir, per day expense was 120. Now let's increase his trip by 16 days. 80 plus 16, 96. It must be reduced by 20 rupees. Let's check. 9600 divided by 96. Yes, Aman sir, we are getting 100. Can I say from option C? Yes, his cost is per day cost is reduced by 20. So guys, option C is the correct answer. Common sense based question. You have to apply your mind, you have to apply your presence of mind. Everybody, guys, this kind of questions are asked. And guys, here we are done with a very beautifully drafted word based problem. And yes, don't worry, more word based problems we have to discuss. But guys, till that time, let's have a small break, then we'll cover the remaining question. Guys, let's have a small break of 5 to 7 minutes. We'll connect in 7 to 8 minutes, guys, and we'll move forward and we'll discuss all the variety. Today we will cover this chapter, guys. Yes, let's have a small break. Okay, now let's move forward, everybody. Let's move forward. Yes, everybody, let's move forward. Now let's start with the advanced problems. Now here, many students that have taken the one question, one root is half of the other. In the same way, guys, in the same way, Let's have one more question in the form of variable. Aman sir, they have given one root when the two roots of this quadratic are this. They have given the roots in the form of variable and they have given options also in the form of variable. Aman sir, we are having high fear of variables. As I say, never solve the variables, guys. Solving the variables in the exam is not suggested. They are saying one root is reciprocal of the other. One is alpha, then another is 1 upon alpha. I will say let assume one root is 1. Okay, let's assume one root is 2. What is the reciprocal of this 1 by 2? Since you have assumed the roots which satisfy one root is alpha, then another is 1 upon alpha. Yes, if one is 2, another is 1 upon 2. Can you form the equation? Yes, some answer we can form. X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. So guys, how much? X square minus, guys, 5 by 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Guys, now I will write directly. If you take the LCM as 2, cross multiply 2x square minus 5x plus 2 upon 2 is equals to, you will send 2 over there, 0 into 2 will be 0. So I will simply write, guys, 0. Now, this is the equation according to you. But Aman sir, options are in the form of variable. According to you, what is alpha? Aman sir, according to us, this was alpha and this was 1 upon alpha. I will put 2 in the given option. The option which will give me the same answer, that option will be correct. Let's put it over here 2. If you put 2, Aman sir, we are getting 2x square minus 2 square 4 plus 1 minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. Aman sir, we are getting the same answer. So option A is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. Everybody guys, is this question clear? This is how you should deal with the variables in the chapter equations. Moving forward, yes, Balram, right answer. Tarakesh, now I hope your question must be clear. Now that of question will sound you more easy if you are comfortable with this question. Moving forward, guys. Root 6, root 6, root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6. Guys, when there is this kind of repetition in the question, we will assume that this is equals to x. Now, you have x is equals to, guys, now you have to find the point from where that question repeats. Aman sir, even if you hide this, under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root, same thing repeat, and this thing under root 6 plus under root 6, you have assumed this x. It means from this point this entire question is being repeated, which I have assumed as x. So I will replace this part from the x. Now simply I need to get the value of x because I have assumed entire value, let it be x. X is the value of the x is the answer of this question. Let's solve it. Even from this point you can go from option to question, guys. Even from this point you can go from option to question. Let's put 3 here. You will get 3. 6 plus 3 9. 9 root is 3. Since option C gives you LHS equals to RHS, option C is correct. But let's solve it further, guys. For exam point of view, yes, you can should go from option to question from that point. Now everybody, squaring both the side, x square 6 plus x square minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Guys, since this is a quadratic, you will get two values of x. Guys, can I say, let's split 6, 2 and 3. 2 and 3 will give you 6 also. With 2 and 3 you can get minus 1 also. Let's solve it. X square minus 3x plus 2x, you will get x. Minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6 also. Everybody, now if you take here LCM, x minus 3, if you take plus 2 over here, here you will get x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now let's move ahead. Everybody, let's move ahead. Let's take x minus 3 whole common. So you will get, guys, x plus 2 is equals to 0. If you make this equals to 0, you will get x value 3, and from here you will get x is equals to minus 2. Aman sir, if they give you option minus 2, can you say minus 2 is also correct? No, this can never be correct. Why? This can never be correct. Why? Since you are having under root 6 plus plus plus, since everything is plus 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 plus, how the negative can come? Second thing, x value is something under root. Under root of anything will always give you a positive number. Square root of anything will always give you a positive number. Outcome can never be negative. That's why minus 2 can never be the outcome of this question. So I have to ignore this and I have to say x is equals to 3. Even if they give you minus 2 as an option, that can never be the answer. Now, moving towards the next part. Aman sir, they are asking the value of x. I will prefer go from option to question. Let's check for minus 2. Guys, if you put minus 2 plus 2 0, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Guys, I am just checking for option A. Let's put 2. If you put 2, guys, sorry, let's put minus 2, guys. Let's put the minus 2 in the given option. 9 raised to the power 0 minus 6 into, if you put guys minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 into 3 raised to the power minus 1 plus 1. Let's check. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Minus 6. Minus 1 means guys reciprocal plus 1. Guys, 1 plus 1. 1 minus 2 plus 1. Since you are getting LHS equals to RHS, guys, option A is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. This is the best approach for solving this kind of question. Now, guys, a very easy question, a word problem. Now, guys, we are solving miscellaneous question, advanced miscellaneous. Any category can come, randomly any category can come. Now, let's look at this question. A car party guys, a car bill is partly fixed and partly variable. Guys, a car bill is partly fixed and partly variable on a distance covered. For 456 kilometer. For 456 kilometer, this is the bill, and for 480 kilometer, this is the bill. They are asking the bill of the 500 kilometer. Let us say the fixed part is x and variable part is y. Variable part means which vary per kilometer, guys. This is y rupees per kilometer. No, let's write down the bill for the 486 kilometer. X is the fixed part, per kilometer is y. How much for 456 kilometer? Per kilometer is y. Amma sir, this is 8252. Let's write down the split of 484. X plus 484y. That this is 8728. To get the value of the 500 rupees kilometer bill, you have to get the value of x and y. Everybody with me? Let's solve it over here simultaneously. Minus, minus, minus. Just a second. Madam, this will cancel. Minus 484. 484 minus 484 minus 456. You will get, guys, minus 28y is equals to 8728 minus 8252. Guys, you will get 476. Everybody, Aman sir, value of y will be divided by 20, minus will cancel, that will be 17. It means per kilometer you are charging 17 rupees. Since you are having the value of y, put the value of y in any one equation and get the value of x. I will solve it, guys. If you put 17 into 456, 7752 will go there, minus 8252. Aman sir, we are getting the value of x is 5. It means fixed rupees is 500 rupees and variable part is 17 rupees per kilometer. So for 500 kilometer, so guys, for 500 kilometer, how much you will charge? X plus 500y. You will be charging, guys, 500 plus 500 multiply by 17. Aman sir, 500 multiply by 17 plus 500, we will be charging 9,000 rupees. Everybody with me? 9,000. 9,000 is the right answer. Option D, 9,000 is the right answer. Guys, here we are done with the this very good, beautifully drafted word problem on the equations. Yes, yes, Balram, Tarkesh, everybody, right answer. Now, let's get the another question. If the roots of this equation, guys, mark this question as an LDR. Mark this question as an LDR. Now let's look at this. If the ratio of the roots, if the ratio of the roots of this are in this, if the ratio of the roots they have given, it means alpha upon beta. If I say let us one root be alpha upon beta, are in the ratio 1 upon 2. Can I say, guys, if they are in the ratio, alpha can be 1k and beta can be 2k. I am just saying I don't know what is the common root, common variable, common ratio that must have been cancelled. Alpha is 1k, beta is 2k. I don't know what is the common factor. Now, they are asking the value of P. Aman sir, value of P is there in the place of C. So I will be using alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equals to C by A. What is alpha? Aman sir, alpha is K, beta is 2K is equals to P by 4. Guys, can I say 2K square is equals to P by 4? Aman sir, we need value of K. To get the value of P, you need K. One more thing you know, alpha plus beta is minus B by A, minus of minus plus 6 by 4. So guys, this is K plus 2k is 6 by 4. From here you will get the value of k. What is 2k plus k? 3k is equals to 6 by 4. 3 2 just 6. So guys, k is 1 by 2. Can I say zero point 0.5? Guys, 1 by 2 means 0.5. Let's put it over here, guys. 2 into 0.5 square into 4 is equals to P. So guys, from here you will get value of P. 0.5 square, zero point 0.5 into 0.5 into 2 into 4. Everybody guys, 2 will be the correct answer. Can I say guys, 2 will be the correct answer, everybody? So from here you will get option B is the correct answer. Guys, I hope this question is clear. A very beautiful question, ratios concept along with the equation chapter. Now, moving forward, in a hostel ration stock for 400 students up to 31 days. Okay, guys, for 400 students, you ration is, you are having the bags, ration bags. For example, ration bags are there for 31 days. After 28 days, 280, for example, guys, every day one student consume one bag. So how many bags you were having? Aman sir, we were having the bags, ration bags. Initially we were having 400, for we were having the ration for 400 students for 31 days. Multiply by 31. We were having 400 multiply by 31, 12400 bags. Okay. Now, after 28 days, 280 students were vacated. It means till 28 days, entire 400 students had consumed the ration. So, minus consumed. How much? Sir, in this entire 400 students had consumed the bags for 28 days. Per day consumption is 400 bags because 400 students are there. One student, one bag will consume. So 28 bags, 28 days, multiply by 28. They have consumed 11200 remaining bags. Everybody guys, what is the remaining bags? Aman sir, minus 12400. We are having 1200 bags left. Now, after 28 days, has 280 students left. After 28 days, out of 400, 280 students left. Number of students are how much? Number of students. Guys, 120. How guys? Out of 400, 280 left. 280 left. Now guys, per day consumption will be 120 bags. So how many days will be there? Sir, you are having total 1200 bags. Per day you will consume 120 bags. It means in 10 days ration will be empty. 1200 divided by 120, 10 days. It means ration you can have for next 10 days now, guys. So ration will be there for next 10 days. Aman sir, if you ask me, Padma, this is a very easy question. Now, this is not a question of equation. This is not a question of the ratio proportion. This is a common sense based question. I can't claim this question in any chapter. If you are unable to solve this question, think, are we having so much less IQ that we can't read and decode? You have to apply common sense based question. Not at all. I am not using any concept of equations. Aman sir, this much bags were there. After 28 days, 280 left. It means it till 28 days, entire 400 students have consumed. So this much bags are consumed, this much bags are left, this much students are left. Per day consumption will be this much. So how much days are left? 1200 divided by 120. This much days are left. Now, guys, mark this question. MTP, I would have not discussed this question, but I really fear from the institute now, how can they expect this level of question from the students? But guys, I am really sorry, I don't have any option left. I will discuss, but since it was there in the MTP 2024. Guys, now wait. I request all of you, bring your complete attention over here. Guys, now these two questions are left. We are about to complete the chapter, guys, in next 15 minutes. I request all of you, please bring your attention. It won't be possible for me to repeat this question. If you want a repetition, you have to use the backup. This is the practice batch, guys. You have to pay attention, please. Aman walks a certain distance with a certain speed. There was a certain distance. Aman walked with a certain speed. But if Aman walked half kilometer faster, half kilometer an hour faster, if Aman increased the speed by 0.5 kilometer per hour, he will take 1 hour less. And if he walks 1 kilometer slower, he will take 3 hours more. Find the distance covered by the man and the original rate. What was the original rate? Guys, very good question. I have to go from option to question. Guys, everybody bring your attention. Aman sir, we know one thing. Speed is equals to distance upon time. Guys, from here, can you tell me what will be the time? Time will be distance upon speed. Guys, what they are saying, Aman sir, if you go from option, let us assume option A is correct. Distance, original distance he has to travel 36 kilometer, and original speed was 4 kilometer per hour. If according to that 36 is the distance and 4 kilometer per hour was the speed, so originally if he don't change his speed, he used to take 9 hours. 9 hours. Now what the question is saying? Question is saying, if Aman increase the speed by half kilometer per hour, he will take 1 hour less. Let's check. If Aman travel the same kilometer, distance upon, sorry, yes, distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon speed. But this time Aman is planning to increase the speed by 0.5. It means now if his speed is 4.5, question is saying he will take 1 hour less. Let's check. 36 divided by 4.5. Yes, Aman is taking now 8 hours. Can I say this option justify the first condition? If Aman increase the speed by 0.5, original, if you are assuming the original speed was 4 kilometer per hour, and if you increase the speed by 0.5, now yes, Aman is taking 8 hours, which is originally 1 hour less. Now another condition, but if he walks 1 kilometer slower, if he decrease the speed, not increase, he will take 3 hours more. Let's check distance 36. If he slower the speed by 1 kilometer, rather than going from 3 kilometer per hour, if he travel from 3 kilometer per hour, he will take 3 hours more. 36 divided by 3. Aman sir, 12 hours. Yes, he is taking here 3 hours extra. This option justify the demands of the question. So this option is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. Guys, since here they have given the conditions in time, from this formula I invented the formula of the time. I'm just checking the time. Which option satisfy the demands of the question? Guys, I request all of you, everybody, just since it is a question of mock test paper, I never expect that institute be expecting the questions of the physics questions in the maths. But yes, guys, we are bound, since it was there in the MTP, it is better if you solve it once. Now, everybody, next question. See, again, now we will solve this question. Everybody with me? Find the condition that, guys, one root doubles the other. Aman sir, they have given the question in the form of variable and options in the form of variable. Whenever they do this, guys, I will never solve this. I will assume what is the condition they have given. One root is double the other. If I say one root is 2, it means another root is double. Double means 4. Let's form the equation according to me. X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equals to 0. X square minus sum. Now, Aman sir, now you are having the value of A, B, C in the form of A. What is A? 1. What is B? Minus 6. What is C? 8. You are having A, B, C in the form of variable. Now let's check for the option. The option that will give me LHS equals to RHS, that option will be correct. Guys, let's check for option C. Now 2b square. Guys, what is b square? Minus 6 square. 36 into 2. Guys, 36 into 2, 72. Let's check for this one. 9a into c. 9 into 1 into 8. Yes, everybody, this give you 72 is equals to 72. So option C is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. This is how you have to deal with the variables problem. Guys, whenever they will ask, give the question in the form of variable and options in the form of variable. Convert the variables into number in such a way that it satisfies the demands of the question. Everybody, is this point clear to all of you? Yes, Aman sir. Now, they have given you the value of x and you need to find this. Aman sir, so much complicated. We will go from option to question. Let's do it. Guys, let's find the, everybody, let's convert this variable. Let's get this into a form of number. Let's get this into a form of number. Guys, 6 root multiply by, guys, again 6 root multiply by 2 with minus sign, then plus 5. This is denominator. You want to divide this? No sir, I need to divide something else. M plus 1 divided by MRC is equals to, Aman sir, we are getting 0.98, sorry, we are getting 9.8989898. Let's round it, let's take it up to 3 digit. Now let's get the value of this. You are having the value of x. Now let's do it, clear the memory. 9.898 square into 1 1 2 m plus, let's get this, 10 multiplied by 9.898, sir, m minus 1 m plus MRC. You are getting 0.00. That it means the correct answer is 0. Everybody, answer is 0. Guys, don't even say 1 because it is not 0.9 something, 0.8 something, 0.00. Yes, answer will be 0. Everybody, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, here we are done with the advanced problems also. Here we are done with the nature of the roots. Here we are done with the word problems. Guys, here you all are done with the everything. Guys, I hope you are getting the confidence with the practice batch. Can I move forward? Yes. One more question. Mark this question as an LDR. Guys, mark this question as an LDR. See, the harmonic mean of the roots. Aman sir, the two roots are alpha and beta. How to get the harmonic mean of two number? I made you write today here. I made you write one thing. Guys, for any two number, I made you write one tip. Where guys? Today I made you write one tip. Today only I made you write one tip. Yes. For any two number, harmonic mean is 2ab upon a plus b. So if you need harmonic mean of two roots, how to get the harmonic mean of roots? Answer 2 times alpha into beta upon alpha plus beta. Now everybody knows what is alpha plus beta, minus b by a. Everybody knows what is alpha into beta, c by a. So let's get it, guys. What is alpha into beta? Aman sir, this is c, this is b with minus sign, this is a. Don't worry, don't panic, just solve. C by a, 8 plus 2 root 5, c by a, 5 plus root 2, divided by, What is alpha plus beta? Aman sir, B by A. What is B? Minus of. Achha, minus B by A. Minus of minus plus. Guys, minus of minus will be guys plus. 4 plus root 5 B by A. Now, let's check it over here. Everybody know that this will go here in reciprocal. So guys, this will cancel with this. Now you are having only one thing left. Aman sir, let's solve it further. 2. Guys, can you take something common? 8 plus 2. Aman sir, here you can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, what is left? 2 4 ja 8, 4 is left. 2 comes outside, you have under root 5 divided by this, and this was cancelled in denominator. This is left 4 plus root 5. Now check guys, this will cancel. 2 into 2 4 is the answer. Guys, you just need to hold the courage. If you don't hold the courage to solve this, nothing can go in right direction. You just need to hold courage, put the value and get the answer. Just courage was required. Everybody, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Can I move forward? Is this point clear to all of you guys? Can I move forward with this? Can I move forward with this? Is this point clear to all of you? Yes, option B is the correct answer. Guys, can I move forward now? Yes, yes, yes. Aman sir, let's go ahead. Now, cubic equation. Everybody knows how to solve the cubic equation. Aman sir, to solve the cubic, my first preference is to go from option to question. The option that will give me LHS equals to RHS, that option will be correct. Here, since all the options are having 0, 0, 0, even I will not waste my time to check the option 0. 0 will be always an answer. Just to save the time, let's check for the 4. If the 4 just justifies, option B and D can never be the answer. Let's check for 4. Everybody hold your calculator guys. Yes. Clear the memory. Sir, 4 cube. 4 into 1. 1, 2, 3. M plus 4 square. 4 into 4 is equal to guys M plus 20 into 4. 20 into 4 guys M minus MRC. Aman sir, 4 gives you 0. Everybody, 4 gives you 0. So 4 is the answer. Now this, sorry. Now minus 4 options can never be the answer. Now either 5 is correct or minus 5 is correct. Let's check for minus 5 everybody. Aman sir, 5 with minus sign cube into 1. 1, 2, 3. M plus, guys, minus 5. 5 with minus sign square into 1. 1, 2, 25. Since you have plus, M plus 20 with 5 multiply with 5, no sir, with minus 5. 20 multiply 5 with minus sign is equals to 100. Since you are here having minus, so you will press M minus MRC. Again you are getting 0. So guys, option C gives you LHS equals to RHS. So option C is correct. Rest all the options are wrong. Everybody, in the same way you have to deal with this question as an homework. Here you are done with the cubic also. Everybody, now here guys, I have taken one question, very out of the blue moon question, but I request, I have taught you this in the class saying extra, but let us revise and let's do some. Since it is a practice batch, I want to make you get ready for the worst case scenario. Now I request all of you, bring your attention over here. Just a second. Guys, see, I taught this saying extra. Guys, in it is seva, that is extra. Now, see, cubic, I already told, see, everybody knows in quadratic, alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and alpha into beta is c by a. In the same way, guys, in the same way, I request all of you to hold three things for cubic also. This is ax cube plus bx square cx plus d. Sum of, now cubic will have three roots. So alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b by a. Same thing, minus b by a. Alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha. I say this is a cyclic. This is c by a. Last part same, like alpha into beta, same way. Alpha, beta, gamma, minus d by a. Minus d by a, not d by a. Minus d by a. Now, again with me. What is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Sum of the roots. Minus b by a. Cyclic alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha. Guys, c by a. What is alpha, beta, gamma? Minus d by a. Sir, this is the thing. Aman sir, what if they in the quadratic, if you give us root and you ask us to form the equation, we know x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. In the same way, what if in the cubic I ask you form the cubic equation whose roots are this. So how to do this? X cube, everybody guys with me, x cube minus sum of the roots into x square minus plus minus sum of the roots into x square plus cyclic into x minus product of the roots is equals to 0. Now look at this toughest question. They are saying alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation, you know three things. Sum of the roots, alpha plus beta plus gamma, minus b by a, minus of minus 4, guys. You will get plus 4. Aman sir, this is minus b by a. So you will get minus of minus 4 plus 4. What is cyclic? Alpha, beta plus beta, gamma plus gamma alpha. Aman sir, this is C by A. C by A 1. What is alpha? Sorry, I will write this C by A. That is 1. Guys, even if you want, you can skip this. This is a worst case scenario paper, not yet asked in the exam. MTP 2018, very old MTP, but still it was there. What is the product of the roots? Alpha into beta into gamma minus d by a. What is minus d? Minus 6 by a. Now you have, guys, this, you have this, you have this. Now what they're asking, find the equation whose roots are this. Toughest question. Aman sir, how to form the cubic equation? X square x cube plus, no, minus sum of the roots. What is sum? I need to have the equation whose roots are this. Sum of the roots, guys, sum of the roots into x square minus plus product cyclic 1 upon alpha into beta, 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta, 1 upon alpha beta plus 1 upon beta gamma plus 1 upon gamma alpha, this into x minus plus again minus product of the roots 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta into 1 upon gamma is equals to 0. Aman sir, here we need to put the value of all those things into a number. First you have to proceed a little bit. You have to say x cube minus, take the LCM alpha, beta, gamma. Here alpha will cancel, you will get beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma, or you can say gamma into alpha plus alpha into beta is equals to x square plus, here you will take the LCM alpha, beta, gamma. So you will get, guys, gamma plus alpha plus beta minus 1 upon alpha into beta into gamma is equals to 0. Now see, guys, you know everything. You know this also. You know this also. You know alpha plus beta. You know everything. Now you know everything in the form of number. Just let's put the number and get the answer. Aman sir, x cube minus, this is, guys, 1 x square, 1 into 1 upon minus 6, guys, minus minus will plus 6 x square plus, what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Aman sir, alpha plus beta plus gamma 4, guys, 4 upon alpha into beta into gamma minus 6 minus 1 upon alpha into beta into gamma minus 6. Okay, I will write minus 6 is equals to 0. Guys, if you will open the bracket, I will write here also once. Guys, let's do it. Aman sir, let's open the bracket. X cube minus, guys, this will open minus minus plus x square upon 6. Guys, here it is x plus minus, guys, minus, this will open the bracket, minus 4x upon 6 minus minus plus 1 upon 6 is equals to 0. Yes, it is a lengthy question. Just for the practice we are doing it. Now let's take the LCM. 6 cross multiply 6x cube plus x square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. Guys, this 6 will go there in 0 and you will get the answer 6x cube plus x square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. Guys, again I am saying, if you have the time, then only solve this question. But many students have, guys, I think 6x cube plus x square minus 4x plus 1. Everybody, option C is the correct answer. Guys, I strongly believe that the institute should never ask this question for 1 marks. But how they can ask the question on this? I will tell you. Form the cubic equation. They can simply ask one question. Form a cubic equation whose one root is 1, 2, 3. They can ask, because students don't study this. Now you should know what is the answer. X cube minus sum of the roots into x square plus cyclic this into this plus this into this plus this into this into x plus minus product of the roots is equals to 0. So guys, this is how you can solve this. This is how you can solve this. So they can ask one easy question. They can ask one easy question by providing the roots, and by providing the roots they can ask you to form the cubic equation. So if you know how to form the cubic equation when roots are given, that will be the great part. That's why I made you solve a very toughest question, very lengthiest question. Definitely they should never ask this question in the exam. But still, guys, now here we are done with the practice session of the cubic equation. Guys, this question only solve with me. Solve it once, never solve again. Guys, don't waste your time in the revision with this question. Not at all important as of now. Guys, yes, rest all the questions are important. And here I can say, yes, we are done with the complete one question bank of the equations in just like we have solved in the regular batch. See you guys in the next session. I hope this practice batch is giving you a confidence. This give you a, yes, we are doing with all the questions. See you guys in the next class.